Hello everyone, my name is Renzi. On behalf of Philippine Tourists, I will be your tour guide for the rest of your stay here in City of Malolos. But before anything else, I'd like to tell you some few reminders while we're here. First is the 4Ks, and leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but photos, bring nothing but memories, and kill nothing but time, okay? Bulacan prides itself on the rich history. Many national heroes were born here. Malolos was the site of its Constitutional Convention of 1890. Malolos was the site of Constitutional Convention in 1898, known as the Malolos Convention that led the establishment of First National Philippine Republic. According to Blair, the Robert saw the name Bihan was the ancient Chinese name for Malolos. So many handsome and pretty tourists use Barasway Church. Barasway Church is a Roman Catholic church built in 1613, having earned the cradle of democracy in the East, and its site was the first Philippine Republic founded by Augustinian sisters. The church also renewed for architectural design and internal adornments. The church was burned during outbreak of the Philippine Revolution. There are major events in the Philippines history happened here in Baraswai. Convention of the First Philippine Republic, Convention, and drafting the Malolos Congress, and the inauguration of First Philippine Republic, and the term of Baraswai was read. And we're taking a picture, so now we're time to go inside this church. Bring it faster, guys. So as you can see, this now before we proceed to the museum, pwede ko pakita sa inyo to na ito yung unang karwahe na sinakyan ni Emilio Aguinaldo papunta dito sa Barasway Church. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're inside the Barasway Garden. And before we proceed to the museum, and like, as you can see, this is the first university in the Philippines. Dito ginawa mismo sa loob ng Barasway Church in October 1898. Mas matanda pa siya sa UP.
Go.
Now we're here in, as you can see, this is the Malolos Cathedral. Malapit lang dito yun sa Barasway Church. Sakay ka lang ng karati, kapot ka na doon. Ito yung palasyo dati ni Quezon. Sinunog pa ng mga Pilipino para hindi siya magamit ng mga American. So, let's go the Bulwagan Fort. Now, we're here inside the museum at Baraswai. Ito yung mismo replica ng First National Republic na ginawa dito sa Malolos. Ito yung replica lang. Ito yung mismo yung unang lalaki, si Leonardo Trias, is the finance officer ni Aguinaldo. And second is Trinidad H. Pardos, the temperate. Yun. Tapos yung pang-apat na nasa dulo ni Aguinaldo, si Gregorio Araneta. Siya yung may-ari ng Araneta.